Hey YouTube!
Subscribe to our channel. The links are gonna be below. Alright, we're gonna be talking about 5 annoying things about guys. Okay, because this really pisses us off. Okay. First, okay, whenever guys talk to their friends about girls and they're like, oh my god, bro, I get so much pussy, I get so much ass, oh my god, I get so much, you know, like, I hit like 10 girls in a week. You ain't hit nothing this week. You ain't get nothing. Nothing. Zero. Like a big
Unless you're
zero.
Chris Brown or Trey Songz, you ain't hit
Trey
it down.
Songz. Okay, we're not even gonna talk about that. Trey Songz is my husband. So number 2.
Number 2 is when a lot of guys talk about weed and how they always say like, oh my god, did you see the blunt I just smoked? Did you see like what Wiz Khalifa just did?
They smoke weed every single day.
Exactly.
What a turn off. Ew.
Like, we do it too, we're not gonna lie, but we ain't puffing, smoking all the time.
Yeah. There's like a limit to that shit.
That's a big turn off. So, yeah.
Okay, number 3. When good-looking guys think that they can get any girl in the world, like, and it's so annoying. Like, get over yourself. You can't get any girl. Are you done dancing? Okay, enough said. Number 4.
Is when guys try to be a good wingman and they tell their friend, oh my god, he is so like,
my friend wants to holla at you.
exactly,
And like
he's a good guy, he's nice, and he won't cheat on you, and they tell you like, oh,
he's really good looking, you know.
Yeah, and then he hasn't had a girlfriend in a while, and then when you meet this player,
He looks like Shrek.
that's why you're single.
Yeah. Right. Number 5. When guys complain about girls posing on Facebook photos, okay? Okay, when girls are perking their lips, when girls are like, I don't even know. But in reality, guys do the same exact thing, okay? They're either posing nude, like no shirt on, or like they're either in their car next to like a beautiful car, it's probably not even theirs.
Next to girls that ain't yours.
Okay, or with their friends smoking weed or drinking. That's the freaking 4 main things that guys post on Facebook, and then they're like complaining about girls. You tripping.
You tripping.
Alright, yeah, that's the 5 things that really piss us off, so yeah.
Yep, so I hope you subscribe.
Yeah.
Have a very good day, and vote for Team Meatball. Team Meatball!